Hello everyone, now I am at the gate of a company named Comely. From their window I can tell they have a modern style light, but I am not quite sure. Now let's get in and find out what's more. Let's go. This is Comely. I can feel really warm right here. Hello, my name is Kathy. May I have your name?
Yeah, my name is Nancy.
Okay, Nancy, please say hello to our camera.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, this is Nancy from Comely Lighting.
Okay, so Nancy, would you please tell us something about your company?
Yeah, of course.
No.
Yeah. And Comely Lighting was established and started developing a broad market from 1996.
Cool.
Yeah, and after that, our Comely, our first brand was Cam. Yeah, this is our brand shops. Yeah.
Wow.
Our head office is in Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province.
Okay.
Yeah, and now after 26 years development, we have over 900 employees in our company.
Wow.
Yeah.
Over 900.
Yes.
Cool.
And we have our own cell factory. Yeah,
Okay.
of 120,000 square meters.
Okay.
Yeah. And who's the Comely? Comely Lighting is the first French BV certified Chinese manufacturer of decorative lighting. Yeah, with 500 patents globally and have 50 engineers in our R&D development.
Okay.
And we have exported over $300 million since 1996.
Wow, we were such a big company. You
Yes,
have
of
your
course.
own patents, you have so many employees, you have so many products.
Yes, of course. And now you can see that our main product is all kind of modern decorative lightings. You can see, like the pendant lamp, the ceiling lamp, and the wall lamp, table lamp, and floor lamps. We all have many kinds that decorative lighting for your house. Also for the lighting project, like the 5-star hotels, like the luxury villas, and some big, large cruise ships. Yeah,
I can tell. So basically, you are supplied for the residential use, high-class hotel, the villa.
Yes, of course.
Something like that.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, let me do some introduction of our product to you.
Let's go.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, you can see this little pendant lamp. Yeah, you can see here. This one is the chrome finish. Yeah,
right.
Chrome finish. And here you can check its light is shine on the wall.
Yeah.
And we can choose its angle and the lighting area.
Cool.
Okay, I will show you here. You can see we can adjust here. Yeah,
Okay.
so that you can adjust its angle like here.
Ooh.
Yeah. So you can it can have a very long spotlight on the wall.
Right.
Yeah. So that it have a very beautiful decoration of your wall, of course. Yeah.
Yeah, if I have a painting right here,
Yes.
the light can just concentrate on the.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Okay.
So you can change its angle. Yeah. So you can have different lighting area. Yeah.
Now I have a question. Is the wire can be changed too? The
Yes,
wire?
of course. Yeah, you can adjust its light.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I like this.
Yeah, so it could be used beside your bed. Yeah, it could be a bedside lamp. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Right, that's cool.
It's very beautiful because it's a warm white light. Yeah, 3,000 K color temperature.
Because I like simple design, so I think this is perfect.
Yes,
Okay.
of course.
What's
I
more?
love this. Yeah.
You love it. I like it too. Okay.
Okay,
What's
let's
more?
go to another. Yeah.
Sure.
Here. Okay, let's see. Yeah. You see, we have so many kind of product that it's all warm white color temperature,
Right, I can
so that
tell.
you can make your house very warm. Yeah. And here, like you can look at this one. It's a very classic design.
Classic one.
Design. Yeah, and it's a very popular one. Yeah. Here,
This is so smooth.
Yeah, so
right?
smooth. And this is aluminum material with the anodizing finish. Yeah, so it's anti-corrosion and wear resistant. Yeah. So you can see now it's 4 layers. We have so many. Yeah, we have 1 layer, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah.
As long as I need it.
Yeah. Yes.
How many layers you can do it?
Yeah, we can do it according to your requirements.
I
Yeah,
see.
of course.
Okay.
Yeah. So it could be in your living room. Yeah.
Okay, so the wire can be adjusted.
Yes,
right?
of course. Yeah.
I see.
Okay, let's go to another. Yeah.
Oh, this is shape is really special. And
Yeah,
unique.
this is a really special one, and we have many colors for it.
Okay.
Yeah. And also, this is our new product. You can see the red color is very bright and very special. Yeah, and now you can see the red and the black and the gold, they match it. So the the whole lamp looks very beautiful and more elegant.
Yeah, these colors are just in harmony.
Yes,
Cool.
of course.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to another.
Sure.
Yeah, wow, you see? Yeah, these all our products. So, people, if you like our product, yeah, if you are looking for a trusted supplier, yeah, you can contact us, our company lighting.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
By the way, I can tell your lighting is exactly simple, modern.
Yes.
Right, that's why I like it.
Yeah, and this all our self design. Yeah, this all our original design product. We have the patent protection.
Okay.
Yeah. And let's look at this one. This one, you can see the shape is like a falling star.
Right.
Yeah, falling star, and it's also aluminum material.
Yeah.
And now you can see they are the black and the gold color. Yeah. So.
Yeah.
So that it looks very, it's more beautiful and more nice, to match these two color together.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, it's quite good.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's go to this. Yeah. So you can see, we have so many kinds of lightings for your selection.
Right.
Yes. All kinds of that can meet the requirements. Yeah. Not only for your house, for the restaurant, also the lighting, the hotel. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, okay, we also have another series product.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, here this way.
So everywhere I go, I just found the warm is everywhere.
Yes.
Okay, now let's follow down this step and find out what's out there.
Yeah. We have besides this kind of decorative lamps, we also have developed some new series portable lamps.
Okay.
Yeah, like
Can't wait to
here
see
you can see this came in 2020. We have developed a new series portable lamps.
Okay.
Okay, let me make some introduction about product for you.
This side is just like the one we used before, like 20, 30 years ago.
Yes.
When people don't have electricity light.
This is very popular one, that we show in our exhibition.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can see the shape is similar with our oil lamp, right?
Right.
Yeah, this is its inspiration. Yeah, the inspiration comes from the oil lamp.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, so some people may have some special memory of that.
Right.
Yeah, and now I will show you. You can see here we have the 6 petal spotlight on the table, so it looks very beautiful here.
Right.
Yeah, and now I will show you a magic. Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
What? We blow it?
Sorry. Yes.
You blow it?
Yes.
Oh my God.
I will show you again. Yeah. Sorry.
God. No, that's fine.
Yeah, you can
So
have a try.
Just like candle.
Yes. You can blow it. No, you can see here airflow sensor here. Okay. So when you just have to blow into it strictly so that you can blow it.
So it totally looks like a candle. Oh my
yes.
God.
But and you can see here.
Yeah.
It's flickering. Yeah. Flickering wick. Yeah. So we just make it. Yeah. Imitate the wind just blowing to the candle. So it's flickering. Yeah.
Right. Okay. So probably I can use it on the next to my bed in the bedroom.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. And also for people can make it to take it outside. Yeah. With some picnic, barbecue.
Camping. I know camping is really popular these days, so people can take it with it.
Yeah.
Especially at night.
Yeah. And because this one is battery operated. Yeah. It's with 4,000 milliampere capacity battery.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. We can charge it. Use the USB cable. Yeah, we can recharge it with USB cable.
It's USB charging.
Yes,
okay. It's energy saving.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Okay.
And here we can adjust it. Its brightness. Just rotate the switch. Yeah.
Cool.
Here.
And it's very convenient to carry out. It's very light. It's not too heavy.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we have a very beautiful color box. Yeah. So it could be a beautiful gift. Yeah, for your family, for your friends. Yeah, of course.
Perfect option.
Okay. Let's go to this one. Yeah.
Okay.
This one is called jingle. You look at it. Yeah. It's like a jingle.
Jingle.
Yeah. this one is called jingle.
But sorry, for me, it looks like a mushroom.
Mushroom, yeah, yes. People may have different opinions on it. Yeah.
Right.
Here, here is the touch dimming also. Yeah.
So all we need to do is by our finger.
Yes.
Okay.
I think you can try it. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. It has full level brightness.
Okay, that's very
And
cool.
of course we have this one is touch dimming. We also have the sensor dimming. Here you just wave my hand.
Wow.
And you can,
It's like magic.
Yeah. Not too long distance. Maybe it's 2 centimeters.
2 centimeters.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So you can control it. And also you put your hand here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What
You
happened?
can dim it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it is no switch needed.
Yeah.
No remote needed.
Yeah.
No cell phone needed.
Yes.
All we need is our finger or hand.
Yes. No, this one is the
Okay.
infrared. Yeah. Sensor dimming. You just Yeah. You
It's magic.
you got it. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. It's also it's also warm white light. Yeah. So you could use in your house. Yeah. Or in the restaurant, because it's warm white light, so it can create a very romantic atmosphere of the space.
Yeah, I can tell. So
Yeah.
I reckon that all of the lights here are perfect gifts for our loved ones.
Yes, of course.
Do you have a beautiful gift box to pack that?
Yes, of course. We have a very beautiful a color box. Yeah,
Okay.
so that you can you can send it to your friends. Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, and also
I like
another
it.
another one. And also for this one, we can do some DIY. Like you can put some dried flowers, some doors here. Yeah, to dress up a lamp so it looks more special.
Okay.
Yeah, like here you can put here.
Oh, just put some decorations on here.
Yep.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, and this one, this one is called Explorer. Yeah.
Explorer.
Yeah, Explorer. Yeah, you can hear we have a hook here. Yeah, so that we can hang this one on the tree. Yeah.
It just reminds me of those ones in the movies, like who went camping or something like that.
Yeah, so this one, it could be used outdoor camping.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one, it has very large capacity battery. It's 6,000 milliampere capacity battery.
Wow.
Yeah, it's very large. So you can use at least 3 days. Yeah, you can use at least 72 hours.
Okay,
Yeah.
so how long do I need to charge it?
Oh, it will take about 5 hours. Yeah.
5 hours?
Yeah.
For 3 days.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Is it heavy?
a little heavy.
A little bit.
Yeah. And we have different colors for option. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Here and
Now I can tell it's green.
yeah, it's green, and we also have the khaki, the luxury brass, and the nickel color. Yeah, you can see that.
Oh.
Yeah.
They have
can see
different color options right here.
Yeah.
Nickel, khaki, chrome.
Yeah, nickel.
Nickel. Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Here, yeah. So it could be because we will match the hook with you, so you can easily hang it on your tent. Like if you go out for camping, you can hang it on your tent on the tree.
Right.
Yeah. It's very convenient, and it has different brightness also.
Okay, it also can be dim.
Yes. Here.
Cool.
Well, now let's come to another one. This is also very hot sell one. This one is hot sell, both in domestic and abroad. Yeah, and here you can hold it. Yeah. You can feeling that it's very smooth. The handle is very smooth.
Right.
Yeah. So it's very good feeling when you hold it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It just looks like a lantern.
Yeah, it's lantern. Yeah.
Lantern shape.
So it's very easy for you to carry it out. Yeah.
For camping.
For camping.
So everything is just for camping.
Yeah. Yeah. For camping, go outside for some like barbecue. Yeah. Some gathering with your friends, your family. Yeah.
How can I change? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
So it also has different brightness. Yeah.
Okay. It is also USB charging, right?
Yeah, USB. Okay. Yeah, and can you see the brush finish on the surface?
It's very smooth.
Yeah, it's very smooth, and you can see the brush very beautiful.
Right.
Yeah. This is all done by our own factory. Yeah, so that we can control the quality very well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I believe you will do that.
Yeah. here.
Okay, but I have a question. Is the color temperature can be changed, or it just have the warm color?
Yeah, for this one is warm color, 3000 K color temperature. Yeah, but if you need other temperature, we can do it for you.
Okay, so it can be customized.
Yes, of course. Yeah, and also on the bottom, you can see that we have the non-slip silicone mat. Yeah, non-slip silicone mat. We have our own brand logo. Yeah, on the mat. Yeah, so of course, if the customer they want to customize their brand logo, we can
do that.
We can print here or on the body. Yeah.
Okay. That's very sweet of you.
Yes. Yeah. And here we can see that the candle. You can see the candle.
Just looks like a candle.
Yeah. Here we'll show you. It's a candle lamp, very small lamp. Yeah.
It can be okay? Let me try.
Yeah.
Okay. It's the same operation way.
Yeah, it's touch dimming. We also have another version. It's sensor dimming. Yeah, just like the jingle.
So do you think it's perfect for putting on the dining table?
Yeah, dining table. Yeah, and also like if you have some event like some Christmas, like some birthday. Yeah, you can use this one. Yeah. To put on the table, because it's a very warm white light, so that you could create a very warm white atmosphere.
I can tell it's very small and quite tiny.
Yes,
cool. Can I blow it? Can you blow it?
Yeah, only the old days. Yeah,
but this one has to be touched.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. I think I have so many good tools here.
Yeah, and also that one you can look at here. That one, the amber.
Amber, where's the amber?
Yeah, you can see the amber. Yeah, for this one, it was loved by so many girls. Do you know why? Because it could be DIY here. I will show you. Yeah.
Okay.
Here the lampshade. Yeah, the lampshade could be removed. Yeah. Yeah, could be removed so that you can put some decorations inside, like some flowers. Yeah,
like the
jewelry. Yeah.
Are these the coral?
Yes. So it becomes a very special lamp. Yeah.
So as long as you like it, you can put your favorite decorations in
Yes.
it. So that could be your one of all kind.
Yes.
Cool.
Yes. Yeah. Also, this one we have the Type-C port here, so that you can charge it with the USB cable.
So I think all the lights in the cover, I think they're perfect for gifts.
Yes. Yeah. You can see that we have the color box there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Please show us.
Yeah.
See, this is our gift box. We are going to buy it for everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. So they have several series like amber, candle, jingle.
Yes.
Cool. Wow. I think I have a good gift options right here.
Yeah. So.
Okay. Is there anything else?
Yeah. This is all our product. Yeah.
Okay, I see. So remember, commonly they are really making the good and simple and modern decorated life, especially from the bigger one, from the smaller one. They all have it. So if we are considering buying gift for our loved one, we can consider commonly. Remember, this is commonly, right? And this is Dancy.
Yeah.
If you like this company, please like this video and leave your comments below. If you want to contact them, don't forget to scan the QR code at the end of the video. We have our advisor for you. So once again, thank you, Dancy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
So see you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.